Here's how to replace a lost driver's license in the UK. Before starting the replacement process, contact the police if you believe your driving license was stolen. To apply for a replacement, you must be a resident of Great Britain, and you must not currently be disqualified from driving. You'll also need to provide details of the addresses where you've lived during the last 3 years. Have your driving license number, national insurance number, and passport number available when applying. If your driving license is due to expire within the next 2 years, the DVLA may give you the option to update your photograph when ordering the replacement. Depending on your circumstances, you can choose to keep your existing photo or use a new one. You may be able to use your passport photograph if your license expires within 2 years, you have a valid UK passport, and you give the DVLA permission to use your passport photo. Once you've submitted your application, the DVLA will send you a confirmation email. You may also receive an invitation to participate in research by email, but taking part is optional. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate and matches your official documents before submitting the application. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.